In this clip, a seemingly innocent delivery takes a sinister turn. A delivery boy knocks on the door, setting off a chain of events that leaves the viewer on edge. The unsuspecting house owner opens the door, only to be confronted by three menacing intruders who rob and brutally mutilate her. Shockingly, the delivery boy is revealed to be part of the plot. Delving deeper, it's discovered he had visited 2 other houses prior, but they wisely refrained from opening their doors in time. Why did he target this particular house? And what motivated the gruesome crime? The quiet streets of Arcadia, California, witness a horrifying incident as a young woman runs for her life, pursued by a relentless assailant. Captured on a home camera, the distressing scene unfolds as the attacker violently drags her by the hair. The homeowner, appalled by the brutality, promptly contacts the police.
We looked out the side window over here and witnessed him stomping on her and pulling her by her hair. It was awful.
The assailant is identified as Robert Mandis, the woman's former lover, and the police locate her in a nearby house, severely tortured.
He was beating on her. Looks like he even stomped on her, dragging her. She had suffered multiple injuries, enough to require hospital attention.
The footage serves as crucial evidence, ensuring justice prevails. Why did Robert Mandis turn violent, and how will the survivor recover from such a traumatic experience? On a fateful July 4th, a doorbell camera captures a hero in action. A vigilant neighbor spots a fire engulfing a neighbor's house and reacts swiftly, preventing a potential disaster. The quick-thinking individual not only attempts to communicate with the residents but also employs a fire extinguisher. Successfully quenching the flames. This act of selflessness saved the day. What motivated the neighbor to act decisively, and how did this act of bravery impact the community? This video is an uplifting story of courage and community spirit in what could have otherwise been a grim telling. In a spine-chilling encounter, 2 young men are terrorized by a sinister clown. However, one of them summons the courage to confront the menacing figure, delivering a powerful blow. The unexpected turn of events leaves the clown startled. What compelled the 2 men to face the frightful clown? And will this encounter deter the clown from striking fear again? In the chilly winds of November 2019, a spine-chilling video surfaced on social media, unfolding a mysterious tale from the heart of Texas. A tiny figure, clutching a flickering flashlight, timidly knocks on a door, trembling with fear. The child implores for help, yet no other soul graces the frame. Who or what lurks in the shadows, unseen by the viewer? Was she running from an unknown danger, or a sinister presence obscured from our view? The unsettling part: nobody saw the child again after that eerie encounter. Is this a snippet of the vanished Serenity June Dennard, the 9-year-old escapee from Black Hills? This footage leaves us questioning the unknown as the mystery of the girl's disappearance remains unsolved. In a bizarre incident recorded in August 2022, an unidentified man mysteriously sets fire to the front of a house before vanishing without a trace. The fire unexpectedly engulfs 2 houses, leaving owners bewildered. Was this a random act, or is there more to the story? Recorded at 4:30 in the morning, a terrified woman urgently seeks refuge, knocking on a door as if hiding from an unseen threat. The suspense builds as she cautiously emerges, heading toward an approaching car, possibly seeking help. Is this a daring escape or a distressing kidnapping scenario? In this heart-pounding video, a man and his playful puppies prepare to step out when chaos erupts. A small bear charges towards the dogs, sending the man into immediate action. Bravery takes center stage as he confronts the bear, pushing it back and barricading the door with a makeshift barrier. Miraculously, the dogs emerge unscathed, but the humans bear minor injuries. Contrast this with the harrowing tale of Lee Broke, who survived a gruesome bear attack. The grizzly bear seized him, breaking his body and tearing off his face. Bleeding and oblivious to his injuries, Lee's survival was nothing short of a miracle. What unseen dangers might lurk in the ordinary moments of our lives? A brush with a bear becomes a stark reminder of life's unpredictable turns. Does this video make you ponder the fragility of existence and the unexpected threats that may loom just beyond the door?